explain it. Where do we begin?
Welcome to XL News, live from España. We are here in the north of Spain. There's 5 of us that are here on a mission trip, and it has been an amazing time so far, ministering to the church here in Asturias, at the north of Spain. So guys, we're here to tell you about what's going on in your church, XL Church. So let's have a look what's happening.
We all can feel the change. 'Cause we are the believers. Yeah. In Jesus.
Friends, the Summer Club 2023 is happening, and guess what the theme is? At the seaside. Now obviously we're not at the seaside, but you can imagine there's going to be sunshine, sand, all of it. But friends, it's so exciting because Summer Club has been running here for over 20 years, and it's been a time where people have invested their time, their resources, their gifts, skills into this week to make it special for kids during the summer, and we want to do the same this year. So if you want to volunteer, why not speak to Dan, get in touch with one of our team. We'd love to get you involved this year, and we'd love you to mark these dates, the 1st to the 4th of August this summer for the Kids Club. It's happening, so put it in your diaries, get ready, come volunteer if you can. We'll see you at the seaside.
Jesus, He will never leave us. 1, 2, 3. Feels like heaven on earth, heaven on earth, heaven.
So Heather, tell me, how long have you been doing crocheting for?
I've been crocheting for 46 years, Sandy.
46 years, guys. Did you hear that? That's amazing. And now you're doing this at church, aren't you? Every Friday, 10 till
Yes.
12, people can join you to crochet and chatter.
They can.
Tell us a bit more about how it's been going so far.
It's been going well. Although the ladies have crocheted before, we do accept beginners. I will learn them from day one. We are starting, this session is cardigans.
Oh,
That's what we're doing at the moment.
And I just found out that Tom Davey also crochets.
Yes.
Who is young, hip, like me. So young people, you should be coming to this. So guys, if you're interested in crochet and chatter, then come here Fridays 10 till 12 to join in with the lovely Heather and learn how to crochet and make cardigans. It's going to be good.
Makes me wanna get up and clap my hands. We don't wanna give up a chance to dance.
Ladies, this one's for you on the 22nd of July from 5 p.m. till 7 p.m. We've got the next Devoted Ladies event where we can come together and share testimonies and stories of what God's been doing in our lives. So make sure you join in for that. It's completely free to come along to, but we do require you to sign up so we know about numbers. So sign up online and we'll see you at that next event.
Get up and clap my hands. We don't wanna give up a chance to dance. Heaven on earth, heaven on earth, heaven. It's like heaven on earth.
Amigos, this Saturday is the Together Fest. Can you believe it's finally here? Where all of God's people are getting together to hang out over at Henley Park. So why don't you grab your ticket if you haven't already, and don't forget you can still get a discount if you do it through our website. It's going to be a great time together, guys. So grab your ticket, get that discount, and have a wonderful time at the Together Fest.
Living in us, living in us, living in us. Yeah, everybody clap, come on.
So that's all for XL News, but don't forget that this week is Connect Group, so make sure you're connecting with yours wherever they are meeting this week. And this Saturday is Next Level as well, so make sure that you come along for that on Saturday morning to dig deep in the Word of God. That's all for XL News, guys. Have a great week. Ciao, amigos.
Ever since I met him.